Good morning, we are in Colorado. Welcome back to the video. Oh, there's a bunny. Okay, we'll finish this intro, but I'm gonna go see if I can get close to the bunny, get a good video of it. Let's see. Okay, so the bunny just ran away, but welcome back to the video. So today we are actually going zipline. We're in Colorado. If you didn't see last vlog, we flew to Colorado. It was a pretty good flight. It was beautiful coming in, but today we are actually going ziplining. If you didn't see last video, I did a little bit of a tour, explained what I'm doing for tours of houses now. I'm just kind of giving like an overview, how many bedrooms, how many baths, square feet, and also just like a couple like little videos inside. But if you guys didn't see that vlog, I'm gonna post it. I'll put it in one of the corners. Great video. But today we are going ziplining. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Okay, so we made it, but I'm only going to the GoPro cam now because we're not allowed to bring our phones and film up there. So we're going to the 360 because the other one doesn't work. So we're gonna see how these 360 videos come out. Good morning, guys. Today is actually Tuesday, which yesterday, Monday, we really didn't do anything. The only cool thing we really did was we saw the train, which was really, really cool. Got some cool drone shots of that. But today we're actually going ATV riding. So my dad rented an ATV in Silverton, which is about an hour away, for 6 people, like a six person one. And I think we're gonna go see some ghost towns. There's some ghost towns out there that are super sick. But we're gonna have a great day. We get the rental for 4 hours, and then we're gonna spend a little bit of time in Silverton because it's a pretty cool city. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy this day. Make sure to like, subscribe. Okay, so we made it to Silverton. We're a little bit outside of Silverton, actually, probably like 5 minutes. But we're gonna get a 6-person ATV, which is gonna be sick. But the drive over here is pretty sketchy because, I mean, it's just pretty sketchy usually, and then these clouds are covering it. But now it's not as foggy. It should be a beautiful day, but we're gonna get in the ATV now. One thing I wanted to say is this mine was insane. So that little thing right there, that goes from the mine to like the mine facility, and people would ride that thing like all the way to the mine. Like the mine was miles away. This thing went on for miles. That was crazy. So we're about an hour and a half into this. We've been driving the whole time because we're trying to go to these ghost towns, which they're super cool. I'm gonna get drone shots there. But the thing is we literally were driving in the valley. I was getting drone shots of that, and then we got into this super bright valley, beautiful valley. It was super cold in the dark valley, but now it's super bright and beautiful. So we're having a great time. I think we're almost there. I think the ones we're going to is like over there. Why am I pointing so weird? But this thing is super cool. It fits all 6 of us pretty comfortably. It's a really cool ATV. Okay, so I'll see you guys at the ghost town. I just confirmed we are actually going to the ones over there, but I will see you there. Okay, so welcome to A&F Fords. So it's a little village that was it's actually a mining village that popped up in the 1850s. And it's really cool to like go through ghost towns, but everyone's here right now. Like we showed up and then everyone came after us. So we're gonna take a quick look around the town because you're actually allowed to go inside the houses, but no one lives here anymore. But these houses look like people could live in them, honestly. Okay, so these houses are a lot like newer and like more high tech than I thought they were gonna be. Like they actually have like these wood things like you would do in a regular house, but the winters here must have been miserable because this is really high up in the mountains, and to not have like the only way to heat your house is through fire. The winters must have been brutal. Oh, yeah, and it's pretty old, so I'm still surprised this thing's standing. Most of the buildings we went by, you'll see like a lot of like really broken down wood, and since wood doesn't do very well, but you'll see like we've been going to the valley for a while now, and you'll see like little towns like or little buildings that are broken down. So.
Little funnels where they can drop stuff in.
Okay, so we're in this valley now, but we found this hole in the side of the hill, so we're gonna explore it. But we were thinking you can go out that way and take like a shortcut, but I guess it's supposed to get really sketchy, so we're retracing our steps.
We can't.
Oh, is it blocked off?
Wait.
Okay, so we're stopping to take some pictures on the way in. But this truck right here is super cool, but we're trying to get the ATV on the other side of it, so, because the view from that view is absolutely stunning. But you can see the really big, so we didn't stop for this, but there's a really big, like, I don't know what it is, but it's super big and super cool. I'm talking about that. That thing is super cool. I got some videos of it, not very good ones, but it's hard to get videos when you're driving in a ATV with bumpy rocks. So, but we're gonna get this picture real quick. Okay, finished photos, got some really good photos, but no thumbnails. But I think I already have a photo for the thumbnail. But we're gonna start heading back to Silverton right now. Okay, so we made it back. We're probably gonna go get some food in Silverton because I am hungry. But yeah, that's the plan. Okay, so made it into Silverton. We're gonna get some food here.
Go back.
there's a lot of tourists here because the train comes in and like they get 2 hours here, and that was the train that we saw yesterday, but they drive from Durango to Silverton, and so everyone's here right now. So it's pretty crowded, but I think we're gonna do some shopping maybe after, but we're getting some food first. I'm hungry.
Oh, there's one. Perfect. We'll make it work. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
you.
Actually, let's just put this.
What in the world?
Okay, so just made it back to the house. It's actually about to thunder, but I will see you guys tomorrow because I'm not doing anything the rest of the day, but I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. This is our last day in Colorado. We're flying back tomorrow, but today should be a good one. We're going to a playground at the school that we used to go to. They're not in school yet, so we're just gonna go play on their basketball courts in their playground, and then we're supposed to have lunch with our grandparents, which they spend like half the year up here in their RV. They spend up here in Colorado, so we're gonna go have lunch with them, and then just have a great last day in Colorado because we don't usually come here a lot in the summer, and this is like our one trip in the summer, and then we're coming back in the winter, but we're just gonna enjoy it. But hope you guys enjoyed this video so far. Make sure to like, subscribe. Okay, so we made it to the park. These basketball goals are on 8 foot, so I'm probably gonna play on those for a little bit, but our basketball is flat, so also don't know. Oh, it's behind the bench, but our basketball is almost flat, so it's not, maybe me and I'll play a 1v1, but probably just gonna hang out at the park for a little bit. My dad's going to get the groceries right now, and he'll come pick us up, but we're gonna play around for a little bit. Shot went in, so we went to a replay. Didn't go in. My ball. So we made it back to Texas actually the next day. Really good flight, except a little bumpy coming back into Denton. But hope you guys enjoyed this whole Colorado series, even though there's only 2 videos. I really enjoyed filming it. Had a great time in Colorado, but our next trip, we're actually going to Yellowstone, so look forward for that. But hope you guys enjoyed this whole series. Make sure to like, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time, probably with some golf content.